In a quiet mountain village lived Rip Van Winkle. He was kind and gentle. He loved helping children, telling funny stories, and playing with dogs. But Rip had one big problem: he hated hard work. His wife grew angry.
Rip, the fence is broken. The roof is leaking. But you are always playing. Why don't you work like other men?
Rip sighed. He picked up his old gun, called his dog, and walked into the mountains.
The forest is better than my wife's voice.
He whispered with a smile. As he climbed higher, he heard thunder. But the sky was clear. Boom! Boom! It was the sound of men playing ninepins. Rip found a group of strange men. They wore old, heavy clothes, like from another century. Their faces were serious, and they spoke no words. Yet, they welcomed him with a jug of drink. Rip tasted the drink. It was strong, sweet, and heavy. His head felt light, his body relaxed. He drank again, and again, until he fell into a deep, deep sleep. Days passed. Months passed. Years passed. Trees grew tall. The seasons changed again and again. Rip slept through it all. At last, Rip opened his eyes. His beard touched his chest, it was long and white. His gun was rusty. His dog was gone.
What happened to me?
He gasped. Rip returned to the village. But everything looked different. New houses stood where old ones had been. Children he once knew had grown into adults. Nobody seemed to know him.
Where is my wife?
Rip asked. A man replied.
Your wife? She died many years ago.
Rip was shocked, but also a little relieved. People told him,
When you left, this land was ruled by the King of England. But now, we are free. This is the United States of America.
Rip could not believe it. He had slept through a revolution. Finally, Rip found his grown daughter. She was happy to see him.
Father, I thought you were gone forever. Come, live with me.
Rip no longer worked. He spent his days sitting in front of the inn, smoking his pipe, and telling his story to anyone who would listen.
Once, I drank with strange men in the mountains.
Rip would say.
And I slept for 20 years.
People gasped and laughed. Children begged him.
Tell it again, Grandpa Rip.
Rip Van Winkle became a legend of the village. His story was told again and again, a reminder that time never stops, and life always changes.
Thank you for reading with me. This is Tale by Tale. See you next time.